I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey there. Welcome to Ubatub, a city located in the Sao Paulo state of Brazil. Click like and write a comment down below if you're excited to journey with me. Ubatuba is a city known for its stunning whites and beaches and so much to explore. First stop is Praia Grande. When you arrive at this beach, all you'll be able to see is the rolling waves, golden sand, and the beachside mountains. And the best part, you won't find large crowds like you do in other more popular beaches of the region. Now let's hop to another beautiful beach called Praia da Fazenda. This beach is full of lush greenery and is definitely the place to go for a peaceful day out with family and friends. From some parts of this beach, you'll even be able to get great views of the Ubatuba Peninsula. Next stop is Tonanhas Beach. This beach is perfect if you want to give a try to sports such as surfing and diving, as the waves around here are quite strong. But if you're looking for a picnic spot, you'll find one here too. It's a great option to relax, be surrounded by nature, and just appreciate being alive. And that's just a few of the beautiful beaches of Ubatuba. So don't forget to click like and comment down below if you enjoyed the virtual tour, and do subscribe if you want to keep up with all my adventures around the world. Thanks for traveling with me.
Thôi, lưu ý nhé. Dạ, team số 1 ơi, team số 1 ơi, mình đứng sát vào để
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!